Neighbor, look! It's almost here! It's almost the new year! Come on, let's go! 3 more seconds! Oh, here we go! I haven't showered since 2020!
Camera recording.
I'm a part of this family. Daddy, that thing scared me. Change it, Daddy.
Camera recording.
Oh my God. I cannot believe I just did that. Score one for me.
That's not me, though. Oh my God, that's my daughter.
Yeah, I was at Smith Parking Center, and I was like,
Oh my God.